There are many mediators in this world: pastors, prophets, Sangomas, motivational speakers, even influencers on the internet, all claiming to stand somewhere between you and the source, between you and Modimo, between you and the ancestors, between you and truth. They say they can interpret the message, translate the signs, unlock the mystery. But think about this carefully. For most of human history, people did not live like this. The village Naka was not a celebrity. He or she belonged to the village. Their authority came from service, healing the sick, understanding plants, knowing the stories of the people, keeping the memory of the tribe alive. And even then, the Naka was not the source of truth. The land was, the seasons were, the animals were, the sun was. Our cultures were built from watching reality closely. If the rains came late, people noticed. If the crops grew better after a certain moon, people noticed. If a certain plant healed wounds, people noticed. Observation became practice. Practice became ritual. Ritual became culture. Over time, we forgot the original observation, but the ritual remained. This is how culture is born. Batlun, Bakwena, Batswening. Animals were not decorations. They were identity markers, memory systems, ways of saying, this is who we are, this is where we come from. But somewhere along the way, humans became addicted to mediators, people who claimed to speak from Odimo, people who claimed to control the ancestors, people who claimed to know what you must do. And suddenly we forgot something simple. Reality does not need a middleman. The seed either grows or it does not. The body heals or it does not. The rain falls or it does not. Truth survives exposure. If it cannot stand in the light, it probably should not guide your life. That is why my reference point is simple. Ramaseti, the sun. It rises every morning. No pastor wakes it up. No Sangoma summons it. No prophet negotiates with it. It rises every day, quietly, faithfully, indifferent to our arguments. Every plant grows because of it. Every breath of oxygen comes from systems powered by it. Every drop of food energy traces back to it. And yet, most of us spend our lives indoors, chasing voices that claim authority over truth. Maybe the future requires something simpler. Less mediation, more observation, less performance, more presence. Stand in the sun, feel the warmth on your skin. Look at the light that feeds everything alive. You do not need a mediator for that moment. You only need to be there, and the sun will still rise tomorrow, just like it did for your ancestors, just like it will for your children.